Hi guys, Connor from McGrath Kia in Hiawatha. Today talking about how to use the built-in GPS system in your Kia. So when you click map, this is the screen that pops up. It'll show you where you're currently at. If you're curious how far away you are from anything, just simply touch it and it'll show you a readout exactly how far away you are, which is kind of cool. If you want to get back to your main screen, you just click this button. Otherwise, if you want to start a route to wherever you clicked, you just click the bottom button here. Under your main screen, your navigation system is actually very intelligent and gives you the option to suggest quite a few things. So if we click this bottom corner and we go up to route and route options, you can adjust how the car determines your route. For most people, the shorter distance route is the one they want to do, especially in Iowa, we don't have much traffic. So this option here will just create the quickest, shortest route to your destination. Otherwise, you can choose between different route options to avoid certain areas such as carpool lanes, ferries, or toll roads. So when we click the other button, navigation, this is where you can plan your route. So you get a couple cool options with this navigation system. Obviously, it's going to have your typical layout, so you can choose gas stations, restaurants, previous destinations, or if you click address, you can actually type in the address that you're trying to go to. Down on this bottom bar, these are actually going to be shortcuts, kind of like presets on your radio. So the first one is your go home button, or as I call it, the I'm lost button. And what you do is you set your home address to this button, and then no matter where you're at, if you want to just figure out how to get home, you either click this button or you can speak to the car and say go home and it'll send you there. Otherwise, you can load preset routes here. If you have kids you like to visit, common traveling destinations, you can just set the routes here and it'll automatically take you to your favorite destinations. So hopefully that answers all of your questions about the navigation system, but if it doesn't, please feel free to stop out at McGrath Kia in Hiawatha and talk to me, Connor, or another Kia specialist to answer any questions you may have.